physics tutorial class follower. My name is Wartola. In this video, we will discuss on Ethiopian grade 12 final model exam solution. In 2017 year, Ethiopian grade 12 final model exam solution. There is a question that is related with grade 12 model exam. In this, our instruction says that choose the correct answer from the given alternative. Question number one says that which of the following best describe the roles of physics in technological advancement? The given alternative, choice A, physics has no impact on technology. This says that no impact. The second, choice B, says that physics only affect theoretical research, not practical application. Choice C says that physics is only important for understanding natural phenomena. Choice D says that physics provides the fundamental principles that drive technological innovation. When we come to the given questions, we ask it which the following is best describe the role of what? The role of physics in technological advancement. Choice A says that no impact on technology. This is not answer. Choice B, physics has only affected technological research, not practical application. This is also not X. Choice C says that physics only important fundamental understanding natural phenomena. This is also not correct. So the correct answer is physics provides the fundamental principles that drive technological innovation. So the correct answer is D. From this one, from the mechanics of the smartphone to the principles behind modern medicine, such as what transportation and even our understanding of the universe is what from the describes so far the role of what? Physics. When we come to the next question says that in which step of scientific method you give meaning to the data obtained. Choice A, analysis. Choice B, conclusion. Choice C, question. Choice D says that hypothesis. So according to the given this one, there are a method, there is steps to what investigating the given researches. According to the given this one, the step we give meaning to the data obtained in this one at the stages of what? Analysis. So the correct answer is A. The next question number 3 says that how does scientific knowledge differ from the personal beliefs? According to the given this question, we comparing to the first one is what? The scientific knowledge, and the other is what? Personal beliefs. Choice A says that scientific knowledge is subjective while personal beliefs are objective. Choice B, scientific knowledge is always correct while personal beliefs are always incorrect. Choice C says that scientific knowledge is based on the intuitions or opinions while the personal beliefs are based on the logic. When we come to choice D, choice D is written at the top of the chalkboard. Scientific knowledge is based on the empirical evidences and systematic investigation, while personal beliefs are based on the individual experiences and the opinion. According to the given this one, when you're comparing the scientific knowledge and the personal beliefs, the correct answer is D. D says that scientific knowledge is based on the empirical evidences and the systematic investigations, while the personal beliefs are based on individual experiences and opinion. From the given this one, when we come to the scientific knowledge is based on the empirical evidences, scientific investigation, while so the correct answer is what? The correct answer D. Let you go to the next question. Among the major new discoveries in the field of physics. Choice A, exoplanetary. Choice B, the sun. Choice C, quantum cryptography. Choice D, high energy physics. From the given this one, there is alternatives which is directly related the new discoveries in the fields of physics. Choice A says that exoplanetary. Choice B, the sun, choice C, quantum cryptography, and choice D say the high energy level. When we come to the given alternative, choice B, sun is not the new discovery in fields of physics. It is what incredibly important and has been studied extensively. It is not described under the new discovery of this one. So it is what the out of the new discoveries of the fields of physics. So B is what the answer. This is not among the major new discovery in the fields of physics. Means sun. When we come to the next question, question number 5, which of the following best describe the coplanetary vector? Choice A, lay in the same plane. Choice B, have the same magnitude. Choice C, have the same direction. Choice D, have the same initial points. When we come to the coplanetary vectors, according to the given definitions of the coplanetary vector, is vectors lay in the same direction is called coplanetary vectors. When we come to the next question, question number 6, which of the following best describes the quantity of equal vectors? Here we discuss, we ask the descriptions of what two vectors to say two vectors are equal. They have to fulfill the given criteria. What is the criteria of this one? Choice A, have the same magnitude but different direction. Choice B, have different magnitude but the same direction. Choice C, have the same magnitude in direction. Choice D, have different magnitude in direction. When it comes to the meaning of two vectors are equal, to say given two vectors are equal if they have what the same magnitude and also the same direction. So the correct answer to this one is what? C. When you come to question number 7, question number 7 says that suppose there are two vectors. That vectors is what? Vector A and vector B, which are perpendicular to each other. If the vector A has magnitude of 3 units and the resultant vector R has magnitude of 5 units, then what is the magnitude of vector B? Choice A, 2 units. Choice B, 4 units. Choice C, 5 units. Choice D, 34 units. When we come to the given this one, before answering, we have to calculate. According to the given this one, we have given two vectors which are perpendicular with each other, just like this one. Let this is what given vector, and this is what vector A and vector B, which makes a given right angle triangle. Let's say this is what vector A, and this is what vector B, and this is what R, or the hypotenuse. This is what pi in unit, and this one is what 3 in unit, and B is what question mark. So when you come to solve this question, we use the Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, for this question, we have to use, let's say this one, A squared plus B squared, which is equals to R squared. From this one, from the given this one, the value of A is given, the value of R is given. This is what our subject matter. To eliminate this one, we have to subtract A squared minus A squared, A squared minus A squared plus B squared, which is equals to R squared minus A squared. Let's insert the given value. This is positive, this is negative, they cancel each other. And B squared, which is equals to R squared minus A squared. Let me insert the given value of the hypotenuse or R in A, means 5 the square minus 3 the square, which is what? 5 square is what? 25 minus 3 square is what? 9 squared. So 25 minus 9 is what? 16. 16. From this one, I will bring here b squared, which is equals to 16. Let put both sides under radical. This is what under radical. This is also under radical. From the given this one, b is equals to the square root of 16 is what? 4 units. 4 units. So from the given alternatives, choice A 2 unit, choice B 4 unit, choice C 5 unit, choice D says that 34 unit. According to the given this one, from the given result, B is the solution. According to this, we asked given some problems which is asked in the model. The next question, question number 8, says that given 3 vector, vector A, vector B, and vector C, with components AX is equals to 3 units, AY is equals to 4 units, BX is equals to minus 2 units, BY is equals to 1 unit, CX is equals to 1 unit, CY is equals to minus 5 units. What is the magnitude of the resultant of this vector? Choice A says that 0 unit, choice B 2 unit, choice C 4 unit, choice D 6 unit. When you come to the equation of this one, first we have to collect the same vectors. Rx is equals to Ax plus Bx plus Cx, and the second one Ry is equals to Ay plus By plus Cy. Then from the given this one, A y is 4 units, Bx is minus 2 units, By is 1 unit, Cx is 1 unit, and Cy is 5 minus 5 units. And from the given this one, when we collect in one, A is what? Which is equals to 3 unit, minus 2 unit plus the second one is what? 1 unit. So this is positive. 2 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 units. 2 unit in case of this one. When we come to the second one, 4 unit, this is what? 4 unit. 4 unit plus the second one is what? 1 unit. 1 unit plus or minus, this is what? Minus Cy is equals to minus 5 unit. From the given this one, 4 plus 1 5 4 plus 1 5 5 minus 5, which is equals to 5 unit minus 5 unit, which is equals to 5 minus 5, which is what? 0. From the given this one, we have what? 2 unit. So we have to make this one using Pythagoras theorem as a second step, using the Pythagoras theorem, the absolute value of R square is equals to the Ax plus By square. From the given this one, this is what? 2 unit, and this is what? 0 unit, which implies that R the whole square, which is the absolute value square, is equals to this is what? The square root of the 2 square, 2 unit square. From the given this one, this is what? 4 unit, and this is what? R is equals to the square root of 4, which is equals to 2 units. Then when we come to the result, when we compare the given result with the given alternative, choice A is what? 0 unit, choice B 2 unit, choice C 4 unit, choice D is 6 unit. So they approximately the solution is what? B means 2 unit. The second one, when we come to question number 9, sorry, the unit vector in the directions of vector 8i direction plus 6j direction is choice A 1, choice B 10, choice C I plus j, choice D 0.8 plus 0.6. From the given this one, first we have to divide from the given this one. First we have to get the magnitude. First, magnitude. Magnitude of this one, magnitude of the given this vector, which is the absolute value of what? The absolute value of c, which is equals to the square root of minus 8 I direction plus the square root of 6j direction, which is equals to from this one I times I, which is equals to 1, j times j, which is equals to 1. From this one, the square root of square of this one is what? 64 plus the square of this one is what? 36, isn't it? So this is equals to what? The square root of the sum of this one is what? 100, and which is equals to the square root of 100 is what? 10. From this one, this is what the magnitude of what? The given vector. The second step, we have to divide each component, divide each component to what? Magnitude. To magnitude from the given this one. Unit vector is equals to the first one. In case of what? I direction, we have 8, in j direction 6, meaning 8 I direction over 10 plus 6 j direction over 10, which is equals to the quotient of this one is what? 0.8 I direction plus the quotient of this one is also 0.6 j direction. So from the given this one, the unit vector which we will get from the calculation 0.8 I direction, 0.6 j direction. When we come to the given alternative, choice A says that 1, choice B 10, choice C I plus j, choice D is what? 0.8 plus 0. This is what in I direction, So this is what the correct solution, the next question, when we come to 10, what is the scalar product of vectors C in the D if the value of C, which is equals to 18 I direction minus 3 j direction, and D is equals to 4 j direction, from the given this one dot product of the dot product of CC and DD is calculated as follow. C dot D, which is equals to 18 times 0 minus plus minus 3. It is what? Minus 3. It is minus 3. Dot 4, which is equal to this is what? 0 plus minus 3 times 4, 12, which is equals to 0 plus this one is what? Minus 12. So when you come to the given alternative, choice A 0, choice B 6, choice C minus 12, choice D is what? 13. So the correct answer is what? C. In general, today we discuss on some questions which is directly from what the final model exam of the Ethiopian grade 12 in 2017. To get the next video, please like and share this channel. Thank you for attention. Thank you.